So here we are in Google, and I'm going to do a search on a very basic question. The question is, how many liters are in a gallon? And when I hit enter, it's going to search and find the answer for me and bring to me what it found. It does it very quickly, and so it seems to be incredibly useful. It actually is useful, but it's not the best that humanity can do. So instead, we're going to do this very same thing, but we're going to do it in GPT. And we're going to ask the very same question, and this is GPT. How many liters are in a gallon? And so this is how it answers. It answers in a way that's more communicative. It answers as if it's really trying to make sure you fully understand. We could actually say, explain this with greater detail. And so you continue the conversation, and it goes deeper. And so if you were writing a blog and you had to address something that you know a little bit about or even know nothing about, but you need to write on a highly competent level, this is the kind of thing ChatGPT can easily assist you with. As you can see, the answer is far more comprehensive. And believe me, we could go much further. You could go so far. You could actually write a book on just this question if you really wanted to with ChatGPT, but it would be amazingly boring.